What's going on, good people? Welcome to EagleEyeFX, and guys, I'm happy to be back again. So today, that guys is basically just to share my watch list. I know it's been a minute since I posted any videos, but let me just share my watch list with you guys. Maybe you can use some of these trades to actually counter check with your watch list, or create a watch list from them. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna start with these three trades, that is odd NSD, euro CHF, and odd CHF. So currently I'm on this trade, so you can see that this is a very clean descending structure, and based on this you can see that I noticed that anytime the market gets to this level over here, the market tends to bounce back. All right, so that's the reason why I was looking for buying opportunities over there. And not only that, you can see that on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we had this structure, and also the market has been very, you can see that the market is quite corrective like this. So we've not seen any major breakout like that. So on the 15 minutes time frame, now you can see it very clear. Now this is what I was sharing today with a few friends of mine. One thing I noticed on Mondays is that sometimes what the market does is that the market spikes fast. You can see a very clean structure, but what the market does is that it's especially during the London session, so the market does a spikes, hits your stop loss, then moves to your direction. So what you want to do is that on Mondays you want to wait. Even if you see a very clean structure, you want to wait first of all for the London session to play out, and then from there now you can do what you can now enter your trade, because you can see that this was during the London session. You had a strength to the downside, then now we are beginning our journey. So you can see I'm currently on this trade, so I'm looking forward to see if I can actually check out this 5.82%. Then also we had euro CHF. This was a clean one also. That's an impulse move, gave me a very clean bearish flag over here. So that's an impulse move correction. So I'm looking for continuation to the downside. And you can see on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that we actually broke this level and had some retest. The market gave us a retest again, so I'm actually looking forward to hold this to the downside. This is actually another one that can give us around 6.73. Then we have odd CHF as well. All right, so this is a major one. This is a long trade. You can see we came from a very strong bullish momentum, then we actually broke this level, then gave us a structure, right? So I'm looking at this, if I call this an impulse move up to there, then this is a correction. So our continuation is there somewhere around here. So actually this market could play out all the way to this level over here, or actually it can actually play out to come all the way to complete our 90% rule. But I want to see if maybe I can get some sells all the way to this level over here, which is around we're looking at a possible maybe 3.44%. all right, so currently I'm on this trade, so you can see give us a clean something almost like a double top. So you want to see 10 pips, and then I'm just targeting this level 3.44%, but depending on what it gives me at this level, I can actually decide just to adjust my stop loss if it actually plays out, and then just hold it to the downside and see how long this market could move up to. All right, so I created something here, guys, which I'm gonna be sharing at the end of every week. So it's a simple trade journal. So you can see this is 9th October. So this is odd NSD. I'm long on this. So you can create something like this. It's good to always come back. Don't just take screenshots and just come back to it. But you can create something like this. And then you can see here, say reason for entry is a descending channel with a double bottom on the H1 time frame. So stop loss is 12.9 pips and target 75 pips around 5.82. So you can come and see reason for entry, and then I'm gonna post my results here. So it's either it hits my stop loss or hits my take profit, then I'm gonna, or maybe break even, then I'm gonna come and look at the result. Then at the end of the month, I can be able to look at this and also learn some lessons, why I won and why I failed. So you can see Euro CHF, a result for entry, it was a bearish flag on a H1 time frame, stop loss target. That is what we're looking forward. And then we have US 30. This was a trade on US 30 that I took in the morning. The reason was a double top and a bearish flag, so I saw an impulse move correction. I was looking for a continuation, but actually I manually closed the trade as it came back all the way to my entry point and I wasn't comfortable holding it. So I was not comfortable when it came all the way to the what is it called, the entry. So I manually closed it. All right, so I manually close it, and you can see these results when it was here. That is when I actually close it. So this is odd CHF, also double top and a bearish flag, something like that. So stop loss, banana targets, yeah. So currently I'm on those 3 trades for today. So I'm gonna be journaling my trades like that. Then you can create something like this that can actually help you to come back and learn from what you are trading. All right, then there is some others. This is this is NSDCHF. So you can use this one now to create your watch list, or you can look at them. So I'm looking at either it breaks, retests and continues the downside, or it could come back all the way to give us a third touch before it goes down. This is also GBPCHF. I missed this trade, guys. So I missed it. It was a clean impulse move correction. I was looking for a continuation, 5.74. I actually missed that trade. I don't know how it's gonna play out. It could come back all the way, or it could just go. But you can see that it was a clear 1, 2, 3. Actually, so 1, 2. I was looking forward at this level. This I was thought that it's gonna come back, then give me this. But anyway, we still at the beginning of the week. We don't, and the trade is still playing out. So we want to see how that one plays out. Then we have NSD card also. I'm looking at this. We are actually, I think, on the 4-hour time frame. We are on a level here, some level like a double top sort of thing, and then there's a structure here, so you can actually enter here and target this level over there. Then this is the US start. You can see, guys, if I did not exit this trade, it could have actually hit my stop loss. So I want now to get a clear, maybe a clear structure before maybe I'm now interested. You see, it could actually come back and now play out. All right, so yeah, then there is Euro AUD. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So this one I'm just monitoring them to see how actually they're gonna play out. So you can see it's not very clear. So when it's not very clear, then you just leave it. But you can see we're on a double top, so maybe it could go, give us a flag, then continue to the downside, or it could come back all the way before it moved to the downside. So I'm monitoring Euro card. This is also another trade, Euro card. I missed this trade last night, but it was a clear impulse move, and then there was a flag. You know, I was looking forward this morning to see if it's gonna give me a third touch before I go down, but by the time I was looking at the market in the morning, it had already moved out. So this is when the market opened, it just broke out strongly and it went all the way. I could have made around 8% on this trade, I remember. Yeah, but you can see a double top and the market spike. This was news last week, came back, gave us an impulse move correction. Then now we're looking for a continuation, and you can see it actually played out. Then we have Euro GBP. All right, so I'm also monitoring this to see. So you can see it's a clean descending structure like this. All right, so you can see how this is gonna play out. So you can be in, if it breaks and gives me this, then I'm looking for sell. If it breaks the upside and give me that, then I'm looking for buys. Remember, guys, you have to cater for the probability, the possibilities and the probabilities. All right, then we have EJ. I'm looking to see if it's gonna sell. Right, then we have the USD pairs. All right, so this one, they are more, so odd USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, NSD USD, all of these, they're gonna be determined by how the dollar index actually behave. How the dollar index behaves is what is gonna tell us how we're gonna actually get clear direction from them based on that. But you can see, this looks clean. It looks like what's it called? Looks like a structure that can actually give us like this before it goes to the downside. So we don't know how it's gonna play out. So currently I'm just watching them to see how it's gonna play out. Then, because also you can see gold, we had a 3 touch over here at the bottom. So we had a 1, 2, 3, and though it left some gap here, it actually did not fill this gap over there. If I go to the 4-hour time frame, you can, or actually the daily time frame, you can see this is a very significant level, that low over there. But there was also another one over here. Maybe it came all the way to that. All right, so you can see these are 2 very powerful levels. So you can see on the 1-hour time frame, came almost to that level, then broke out. So this could have been a very clean entry over there, because that's an impulse move, then bullish flag continuation. So I'm actually observing to see if this is also another flag that is forming for it to just continue moving to the downside, upside. So I'm actually monitoring that. Then there is GBP AUD. Look at this. If it could actually be going back all the way, then you see this is a clean 82 pips. But until it gives me a clear structure, I'm not just gonna be blindly entering trades. Okay, I don't want to blindly enter trades. So we want to see what is happening here, if this is a descending descending structure, or a descending pattern that is actually forming over here. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. You can see here it's very clear. We have that, and we have that, and we have this level over here, and we have that level over there. So if maybe it breaks out, and gives me a correction, I might be interested. All right, but you see, the reason is that if it maybe breaks and gives us a clean flag, then you can be interested. Otherwise, this could just be tripping all the way to the downside. So same thing with GJ. On the 1-hour time frame, we had this double top. All right, I'm looking to sell, but I want to see a clear structure. I don't want to blindly enter. Then we have GBP NSD, same case. It's not very clear, but it's worth watching. Then we have Nasdaq. All right, so this structure, this could be an impulse move correction. I want to see if it's gonna sell all the way to the downside. I'm actually interested in this trade to see how it's gonna play out. Remember, Nasdaq, German 30, see, it's coming back, and US 30, they actually move in the same direction. So let me take this one over here. All right, so Nasdaq, German 30, US 30 normally move in the same direction. So we want to place them where the USD pair here. I want to place them where the USD pairs are, just after gold. All right, so here and there and that one. Then CHF JPY double top, good clear structure. Then we are selling all the way to that level. At least that could be our first target, and that's a possible 373 pips. And finally NSD JPY, you can see there's an impulse move. If it gives me this clear pattern like this with 1, 2, 3 touches, then I could also still also be interested to actually hold it all the way to that level over there. So that is actually my watch list, guys. So I want to see how it's gonna play out. All right, I want to see how this thing gonna play out, and then so that is amazing, and that is beautiful. So guys, show some love, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future pairs. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.